Va tisungulele bindzu ku ri ndlela yo herisa vusweti. Ntlhanu wa vantshwa lava nga tirhiki va xavisa 200 wa tihuku hi n'hweti. Va lava ku kurisa bindzu ra vona no thola vantshwa van'wana endhawini ya ka vona.
Yona i350.
He says the 350 rand might seem small, but they thought they should do something extraordinary with it so that they may be able to put food on their mouths.
Silala sikile thina.
Our plan is to grow this project. So anybody who is watching this video, you want help, he or she can put something so that we can decrease crime and violence in our area.
Mfumo wa xifundzankulu wu seketela project leyi swilaveko swa nkoka swa bindzu.
We started supporting them in the 2020-21 financial year and also in the current financial year where MEC Nonkubela Peters went and supported them with plucker machine, broiler chickens, broiler feed and water tank. Now, the MEC said she wants to see young people taking up opportunities in the agriculture sector.
Makungu ya vona eku xavisa tihuku eka mavhengele lamakulu.